Today I am very happy to be here as a part of the Plasto 2025 exhibition. Lot of different expertise are here and exhibitors are there. This is a national and international standard. Lot of business opportunities are there. You can grow your business. Lot of connection is there. Lot of collaboration is there. Lot of networking is there.
Very well organized, very schematically. There is a decent amount of representation from not only national but international brands as well.
The experience was quite nice because I met quite a few raw material suppliers over here, and especially there are lots of opportunities for those who are finding new technologies regarding injection molding. It was a good experience.
I had met many suppliers who are very useful for my business, and I have got a nice lead generation. It's going very good, so I could say it's a thumbs up from my side.
जो यहाँ पे लाइक प्लास्टिक की ओवरऑल इंटरनेशनल एग्जीबिशन है, तो जो मशीनरीज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी है बेसिकली फ्रॉम जापान और कोरिया, काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंसाइटफुल है.
We have been meeting a lot of new people, and BD Plast is getting a lot of marketing in short, so we are having a great time.
Many are manufacturers, some are recyclers, some are into brand owning, some are into raw materials and stuff. So it's great. It's a great platform to connect with Plasto 2025. Come here and connect with as much companies as you can. And all the companies are really inviting us, giving us a very warm welcome. And it's a great opportunity for startups as well who can come and make connects.
I just taken a round of few of the stalls of the machinery, since I am the also background from the plastics only. So it is good and good interaction with like all plastic is also good machinery, vertical, 2K is there, and we had gone through so many tool manufacturers. So I am particularly looking for LSR technology, like plastics 2K technology. So it's all like good.
इसमें हमारा कैसा है, हम ट्रांसपोर्ट बिजनेस में है, और इसमें हमें फ़ायदा ये है कि जब हम एग्जीबिशन में घूम रहे थे तो बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स हम टाइप हो सकते हैं इन फ्यूचर के लिए, कार्गो के साथ, पैन इंडिया के लिए.
Here I am visiting the Plasto 2025 international exhibition. This exhibition is so nice and informative, and lot of innovations are there. Various machineries from different companies are here. If anyone interested to visit, it's too much innovative.
Every exhibition I have visited in Pune also and in Delhi also. But I found this year's exhibition is very good. Newly appointed chairman Ajay Zod has his work really appreciable.
प्लास्टो एक्झिबिशन मी पहिल्यांदाच फेस करतोय, पण असं मला एक्झिबिशन बघून खूप म्हणजे असं छान वाटलं. जसं की तुमचं इव्हेंटचं मॅनेजमेंट केलेलं आहे त्याच्यानुसार, म्हणजे जसं की तुम्ही मशिनरी, मोल्ड किंवा मॅन्युफॅक्चरर हे जे तुम्ही डिफरंटमध्ये केलेलं आहे ते सुपर वाटलं. जेणेकरून मला इथे कसं, मला इथे सर्व पाहायला भेटलं आहे. एकाच ठिकाणी मला एक्सपोमध्ये जसे रॉ मटेरियल मॅन्युफॅक्चरर भेटलेत, प्रोडक्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चरर भेटलेत, जसे मशीन वगैरे नवीन मार्केटमध्ये ज्या मशीन आता येणार आहे ते एक्सप्लोर करायला भेटलेत.
The exhibition itself is an international exhibition, and the exhibitor class is very good. Visitors in Pune and in India, they should visit to this exhibition.
Plasto 2025 is going great.
Great work by the team, and congratulations for the Plasto team.
Definitely, I would like to participate again, and I got to know that Plasto 2027 is about to come as well in the month of November, so I'm looking forward to it as well.